Hello everyone, this is Max Prince and you are watching my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you some best Nvidia control panel settings that will boost your FPS and lower your PC stamps. These settings will work on almost every Nvidia GPU, both laptops and PCs. So I have 3080 in my system, but these same settings will work on every GPU. So let's start the video and try to copy my settings. First go to control panel. So just open Nvidia control panel and go to this adjust image settings with preview tab and click on this circle, then put this bar to the middle, and then after that click on this circle and click apply. After that go to manage 3D settings and just try to copy these settings. Off filtering should be application controlled, FX AA should be off, correction off, override any application settings, application controlled off, CUDA's GPU all, driver default, DSR factors off, latency mode off, max frame rate off, MFAA on, OpenGL auto, rendering GPU auto select, power management mode normal, driver default off, negative LOD bias allow, off, allow, quality on, auto off, vertical sync default setting, then one off and auto. So this setting will definitely boost your FPS and lower the temps. And also let me know how many FPS boost do you guys get and also the temp difference. So if you guys have any question, let me know in the comments. Also don't forget to like and subscribe for my future tech related videos. Thanks for watching.